Feet are always squeaking on this floor. Well, somebody's happy that we stopped for the day, right? Are you happy? She says she doesn't remember this place. We were here last year. And what a difference in temperature. We were here a week earlier. I don't know if that made a difference or not, but last year it was... So there was a little technical difficulty in my last video, but I think I've got it fixed. So I was saying that our temperature is quite different. It was in the 40s last time, and today it was in the 60s when we got here. And we're still in New Mexico. And this is Rusty's RV Ranch in Rodeo. I don't remember that being there last year, but who knows, I might have just missed it. And these are the ones with the kind of goofy setup with two people kind of sharing a driveway. But we have our own hookups. And it's a full hookup site. This is the rest of my driveway. The gray building that is right there is the office, and that building has laundry, a lounge. I think there's like kitchen facility in there. This is site 36, but our next door neighbor right there has a completely different number. As you can see, there's full hookup here. 50 amp. And here's our water system and all hooked up and being used. This time we're right across from the dog park. Let's see, our next door neighbor is number 27. We're 36, they're 27, so it's kind of an odd numbering system. Oh. We'll be here 3 nights. That's all we could get. The place is very popular. And this time I noticed a billboard just a couple exits, I think, before we got off. Pretty big billboard. Grill is almost ready. I think I just heard a cow. It's peaceful here, a dark sky campground. Astronomers really love this place. And we liked it enough to come back. So that's it for this one. I'll talk to you again. Bye.